this is a General Electric. So yeah, it goes up, clicks up. Well, you all know what this is. It's an iron. And here's the miniature water reservoir, which screws in, which is pretty cool. There's a water. The fancy cord is in beautiful shape. But look at this thing. This thing's like... Now, you're wondering, what the hell did I buy this for? Well, if you go to Rover and Daisy's country store online on YouTube, you can see my store. And I tend to collect old antiques like this, which is pretty cool. I'm not going to try it right now because I don't have any bread and cheese, so I can't make a grilled cheese on camera for you. It is a Model F98A, 120 volt, 230 volt AC, 700 watt, made in Canada, Canadian General. Caution, use only wall or, what was that? Base receptacle, Barry Ontario Electric, Co Ltd. Nice. It was in nice shape. I thought it was cool. Like most irons, they probably never get used very much. It was like, who the hell likes ironing? Nobody. If you like ironing, you have something wrong with your brain. Nobody irons clothes anymore. So yeah, this goes like, push that, it goes down. So it goes like this. Clicks, push the button, goes down. I take this off, I'll show you. See? That over there. This goes up like so. Clicks, and this is the 230. There's a red button here for 230 volts or whatever hell that is. Here is the off, low, and linen, cotton, wool, steam. This is wool, that's steam. Pretty cool, huh? Like, you really want to know about irons on this channel. Because, you know, I'm an ironing expert. Yep, that's me. But the other thing that's cool about this is, like, General Electric don't make jack shit anymore. But look at you can see this on there. But can you see the General Electric symbol on there? Well, right on, if you can't see it, there's a little GE symbol on there, which is pretty cool. Like, back then, they used to put their logo on all kinds of stuff. Now it's just scrap everywhere. And then look at the cool Bakelite plug, the rope. Mind you, I know they still make, what do you call it, cords like this. But it's cool, you got General Electric's logo in the middle. It's just, like, they look nice. Even though I'm not a ironing buff, but they look like they had that old style. Like today they're just irons, utilitarian stuff, as you could say. So, thanks a lot. Enjoy.